We're sculpting a sexy back. We're gonna do that with standing dumbbell rows. Okay, so what you're gonna do is feet hip width apart. You're gonna go parallel to the ground. Keep that core tight. Shoulder blades retracted. Breathing out, pulling back. Throw the elbows towards your butt, all the way down. So what you're doing is imagine breathing out, pulling, and then imagine you're pushing on the way back down. Extend the arms all the way, as long as what you're not doing is dropping the shoulder blade. So terrible, retract, good. Terrible, retract, breathe out, pull. Keep that retraction in the shoulder blades at all times. Keep that core tight. Notice how my back is not arched or rounded. So if you need to, if it's too hard with two hands at the same time, have your hand on another knee for support. Keep those shoulder blades retracted, breathing out, pulling back towards your butt. The trap should not engage at all. All right, if you can't do that, it could be a mobility problem, contact us. You're gonna give it a try and let us know what you think.